Hi traders, in this video we are looking at what a Monte Carlo simulation is in forex trading and why serious strategy testing often goes beyond a single backtest. I'll explain the idea in everyday terms, give you a simple trading system example, and show how Monte Carlo can help you understand best, worst, and most likely outcomes. Now let's consider what a Monte Carlo simulation means in trading. A Monte Carlo simulation is a way of stress testing a strategy by running it through lots of slightly different scenarios, randomizing things like trade order or outcomes to see the range of possible equity curves. Instead of trusting one historical backtest path, you generate hundreds or thousands of alternate paths and look at how often the strategy survives, how deep drawdowns can go, and how results cluster. This helps answer questions like what if I hit a losing streak early, or what's a realistic worst case drawdown, rather than assuming the original backtest is exactly what will happen. Let's look at a simple strategy example. Let's say I use the support and resistance arrows indicator as a broad part of my trading strategy. Just have this installed, and I have say 55% win rates and a fixed 1:1 risk to reward ratio, back tested over 300 trades with a smooth looking equity curve. A Monte Carlo simulation takes that same average win rate and payout, then shuffles the order of wins and losses thousands of times to see how often you get long losing streaks, big drawdowns, or very strong runs. From those simulations, you can read things like the worst simulated drawdown, the best equity paths, and the most probable band, then size your risks so your account can realistically survive the rough versions, not just the pretty backtext. Why does this matter in forex trading? Forex strategies can look great over one historical period, but still be fragile to different sequences of trades or slightly changed conditions. Monte Carlo simulation gives you a statistical feel for robustness, whether a strategy has a real edge that holds up across many paths, or whether small changes quickly push it into deep drawdown. Alright, so let's just close this off. Right. You can read more about the Monte Carlo simulation in forex trading and how it's used to test robots and manual systems using the link in the description below. If this gave you a clearer picture of why advanced testing goes beyond a single equity curve, make sure you like the video, drop a comment with any Monte Carlo questions, and subscribe to the Forex Geek with notifications on. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.